Hello friends, how are you? In this video I am going to review a product which name is Beauty of Johnson's Red Bean Water Gel. In this video we will discuss what are the benefits of this products, and then we discuss what are the main ingredients of this product and what is the best way to apply this gel, and in the end we will discuss our personal experience and what are the drawbacks of this product, what are the side effects of this product. But before starting my video, I request you please subscribe my channel, click the bell button so that you can get notifications of every video. Let's start the video. In this video we will going to deliver a honest review related to which product, which is basically a Korean skincare product which name is Beauty of Johnson's Red Bean Water Gel. It is a gel based cream and it is available in 100 ml packings. The best part of this gel is that it easily absorbs into your skins without giving any greasy and any oily look. It is very lightweighted. In fact, it is very lightweighted. If you have oily skin, you can easily carry on it. Now we will discuss what are the main ingredients of this product. It contains red bean extracts and 3 types of peptides. Red bean, it contains 44% red bean extracts, and red bean extracts is in fact used to control oil and to control sebum's productions. Red beans helps with the absorption of sebums, and definitely it is good for oily skins. Second main ingredients, it has peptide complex. 3 types of peptide complex are very good for hydrating your skins, and it also delays your signs of aging. And now we will discuss what is the best way to apply these gels. You can apply this cream or gels onto face at the last stage of your skincare routines. Tap with your fingertips to add absorptions, so that it is the best way to apply these serums. That you can apply these serums at night time. If you have oily skins, combination skin, dry skins, it is good for you. And the only drawback is that you cannot apply this in a winter seasons, because it tightens your skins, as it contains red bean extracts. As said that these red bean extracts are highly helpful to control oil and greasiness. So that if you want to try these serums in winters, this is not a good idea. And now I am sharing my personal experience. It is highly refreshing and cooling when you apply it, and it is gives you a refreshing feelings. It is unscented, mean to say it has no fragrance, and if you are looking for a fragrant product, this is not for you. And if you have oily skins, it also gives you a hydrations and oil controls, and beside that it also gives you a good moisturizers and hydrations. But I am highly recommended you that if you are wanted to apply these serums in the winters, it will tighten your skins, it will dry your skins, as it contains red bean extracts. In summers you can use it. It is good for sensitive skin. It easily absorbs into your skins, and it is very good to give you a hydrations without any greasy look, without any oiliness. And this is the honest review related to this product. If you like my review, please subscribe my channel, click the bell button so that you can get notifications of my video. And thanks for watching. Till next video, bye bye.